Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can play Don't Press the Button, but I am going to press the button anyways. So I'm just going to press play here. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this. Oh, okay. So collect these like coins and diamonds. Memorize the notes being played. Oh my god, I don't have this on. Hey, we got it. Next. Don't forget to collect these. Oh my god. In 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Oh, I'm dead. And that is pretty much the game. I mean, it's like very quick, but yeah, that is how you can play the game. Don't press the button. There's like a bunch of like obstacles, so I can't like show you everything. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.